All right, 3 lampposts. They had construction here, landscaping here last fall. Dug up a whole bunch of plants, excavated some pump lines, which is a whole bunch of stuff. But they tore up the underground 120 for the 3 lampposts. So we did all the landscape lighting here. So we have our lead tech is a licensed electrician, so you know, every once in a while we'll tackle something like this just to kind of get the job buttoned up so they don't have to wait all summer to get everything up and running. So we just hand dug the trench. We're going to run 12-2 UF wire, direct burial. They had shielded stranded wire in here, whoever did the original install, which is not code, at least in Massachusetts it's not. So it's a good thing we disconnected everything, any signs of it. So we came out of the house. Kyle's over here installing post number 1. We got our protected GFCI outlet here, and that's going to protect the rest of the run. Piped under the walkway here, put that back. Wilson's just using a shovel as a rake to fill in the trench. And then this is the rest, about 120 feet of hand digging through rocks and crap. But we're going to get all these lampposts up and running, and that'll be the end of this project, I think. And we'll get these things turned on tonight.